who conducted a study on the ghrelin hormone. Thank you very much, Dr. Iman, for being with us today.
You're welcome.
Let's first talk about obesity in general and the dangers and threats of obesity.
Obesity right now in the new century, it becomes not only a sign or a symptom, it becomes a disease. In 1997, WHO considered the obesity is a disease. And it leads to mortality rates, higher mortality rates, especially right now in middle age, not only young or old obese people. It's magnified problem in adolescents. That's why I had this research on obesity in children and adults.
Tell me a little bit about your research. Because you've discovered the hormone, the ghrelin hormone. Tell me how did you reach this conclusion and how does it help?
You know, obesity, the causes of obesity is multifactorial. Multifactorial means many factors just lead to obesity. Genetics play an important role in obesity. It's considered about 40 to 60% of obesity causes due to genetics. That's why genetics. That's why genetics play an important role. You see, in a family members, usually you see more than two. They are obese. Maybe parents, maybe siblings, especially twin studies.
Yeah.
Especially monozygotic.
What is monozygotic?
Monozygotic, it's the division of the zygote, just one sperm and one ovum.
Okay.
That's why this study confirmed that the genetics is first cause, 40 to 60%. Second is environmental causes. Environmental causes means increase intake of food, increase snacking, frequency of snacking, the quality of food, high content of fat, snacking of sweets, it's easily absorbed, especially simple sweet, simple sugar. Another cause is environmental also is sedentary life. Everything with remote control, video games,
lack of activities.
Yes, lack of activities and suddenly left circle and just car uses and whenever you go to the club, you see many kids just concerning about just video games, PlayStation, and just
less sport.
just sitting in front of the TV. Everything is not moving.
Well, this is a whole new culture, Dr. Iman. The culture of less activity, the culture of junk food, the sedentary life. Yes, so this is a new culture that has been introduced in our century, and perhaps this is the reason why we have increasing obesity rates in the modern century.
That's why both. The third cause is hormonal cause, or biological cause. Many hormones play an important role causing obesity. But in 1999, thanks to Professor Dr. Kojayama, he's the Japanese, he's discovering a new hormone called ghrelin hormone. What's ghrelin and what that means? It comes from its name. It comes from a European Indo-Porto language. It's called gray. Gray means grow, and IN ghrelin, like insulin, like. Any hormone is just
ending in IN.
Ending in IN.
Yes.
Ghrelin. Ghrelin. It's okay. He discovered that that hormone it's secreted from the stomach and play an important role causing obesity. How? Just whenever you see the food or feeling just hunger. The rise of ghrelin hormone in blood is too much. Too much. It's okay. And then that is located on the high centers in the brain.
Yes.
Causing rise in growth hormone too. Growth hormone makes us more bigger, in size, and increase deposition of fat.
Yes.
And with that discovery, many researchers from 1999 concerning about that new hormone. Grenell found it to be high in people with some pediatric disorders, genetic disorders, called Prader-Willi. It's syndromic genetic disease. They are all obese. Also, it has been very, very low in anorexic people.
Oh, yeah.
You know? That's why we are managing so many results.
Yeah.
Whenever I just decided to have a research, I want to be innovative, you know,
Yes.
and something